Kiazo. No, Papa Barbasalusha was stupu in no, Papa, you know what? Can I stress, can I depression? Dabaya leave like ian stress. It's a calendar real Yvonne. Kiazo, the Lord took a new hair, new nails, gets a facial, gets a new eyebrows, the tinted, get Lukisa, what can I have? I get the eyelash stella getting tea the scat. Go by the Bahata Melody go chinning what's all about the body cats overnight. So, could you let the go sign? I get out went to the USA drum. So, Kidu the hair, Kidu how I can hold that. Hasso Rakwa so, but kissing a charity and chetty. But almost Shimalega Putu, and my weekend obu banga. Nakia para my wiki obu banga. And my week obu banga love. Did you see that texture? Did you see the texture? Did you see my eyebrows? Mo kiense ba ke cat eye. Bon khono ba habatse be next. Ba tlo ntella. Ba tle fela o tlo ntella. They must get out of my house. Anyway, ha go tsole mpele ka ditaba and nna nka se change bophelo ba ka for bon khono. Akekho umuntu onyesa njengami. Kidule on point. Muriri, udula ule on point. Everything yaka idule. Kulompane ke khawula. Bari ravaza wa khawula. No, I'm always on point because as ngwanyana, that's what you must always be. How tsoa Hussein. O jumpela uyavas ulohlapa. O jumpela vaslapo. Ulohlapa. Ha emele hore ho bana le plan ho o. Atlo wena wa tsoa. Udula phone. I want to the affirmation o shabe go speeding o ijwetsa hore wena o marvelous. Obviously it's la ha o letlo ba jwang. Ngwanyana wa tso wa hlapa. O se ba comfortable o dula le monna. O tso o a o hlapi. Ha o hlapi o lo hlapa ho lo robala. Ha a lona le fail man. Le fail. Na ka letso se ke hlapa ha ithu. If what's o ba tsibana o ila abantu laba ba gezayo. Bese uyakake during the day. Make sure ukuthi uyayigeza le nduno. Phatha ama wipes ebhekini because once wageza waka unqolile. Ani understand. Niyamba emamoli ngama bonnet. Yeah. And then uhlala unuke khwapha. Nuka kamnandi. Angeke sintshele yonke into. Kanti namantombazana njani? Investa kuwe, thenga izinto, thenga itoilet ngathi uthenga inyawupe. Zithande. Ube uyazi ube intombazana, be a girl. Mina ngigugile mara ngiyazinakekela. I confessed ravishing utlapele. You want a nice life mara o khona utswa ka leveni. Ha skat. Ba baby, ha re tswala kere. All right. Welcome to Ravishing TV. Ravaza Kasibili, revitalizing revolutionist. Bareke Ravaza baby raviolist ravipi. Haven't ever bare ke mam raviza. So gela am hela banabaka. You know mgela ke patri enana. Ke kena headed abeng tsa mona mo zeti. If we yazi ukuthi go heno ona le family yomzeti and in uskaba touched. I get like this is my experience. It's got nothing to do with you. Really catch the feelings. You catch the feelings can sort the snacks. And it's like a so don't catch feelings get tabatak. Focus on yourself. I get my love. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I'm telling you the video taka. Have to subscribe. Who subscriber? I will cost the next, my love. I will cost the next. See who subscriber. Just subscribe. Press that button lady. No, press the button lelo. Moga the press the button. We are like the video and you leave a comment. Pella, stop being a monitoring spirit, big a vampire. Ubizo, bugelo, consuming munyo moya. Yo. So, Kenneth, Maga turning down. He decides, he can't stay or would say angasonti. So, mela atole isonto. Remember, sekahlala phambi so he now starts uyafuna sister ukuthi uzosonta pay because mela lokho busy ayenza izinto zakhona zakamzeti lezi zakhona. Okay, fine. Ngabe ne problem mina uyasonta usonteli mina. But mina ngumntana esithunya. But you will never hear my gift be the personality of the relationship. Ngiyakwazi ukujwela nawe uzukhohlwe nokuthi ujwela nini nomntana wesithunya. That's how much I've learned to exist outside my gift, because isipho sami is not my personality. It's not my whole personality. There are people who are so hyper fixated on their gifts, their spirituality, that umuntu awukhona ukwenza into eziphume eqeleni ngoba uzokutshela ukuthi idlozi lami uNkulunkulu. Sometimes just learn to live a little bit, because at the end of the day, you are an individual with a gift. And amadlozi lawa wakho akukhethe because azi ukuthi uzoyenza lento yenzayo. You understand? So I brought it up a couple of times. You know what, Kenneth? Can the relationship be more neutral? Kungabi nokuthi kuyafilisana ukuthi ubani isangoma, ubani usonta kweZTC, and SZTC obviously abazwani nezangoma in that sense. You understand? So aqale la mixoxo yakhe ukuthi no iBhokufito ziyaphuma mina ngisonto eZTC and ungibona ngigcoke igreen and yellow. You understand? Ngizithathe kancane le nkulumo zakhona. uKenneth bowuthi uthuhleli naye isikati ubeke iglass usitshela ukuthi uphuza ijuice. Angisho ngipreg ngimit uphuza ijuice afike uKenneth angisho ngathanda ukuphathisa isigubhu athi ikimethi alihaha or angazi ikimethi walishada or angazi bayibizani abantwana basiZTC bangonongqondo laba igqulu ukuthi gwe ayizolento leyo. Afike ayithele la ejuzini amaqeda afike mina ngikwade ngithi why ungipha lento le oyithela lana, why wenza kanjalo? Bantwana basekhaya into engizontshelana yazi ukuba uBarbie doll bese uyahamba uba umntana wesithunywa uvela udeleleke, because ayikho into enginyanyisa njengokuthi umuntu ubeliever ukuthi vele une gift maseka experienceilo or ine mangokutshela ukuthi nginesithunywa believer ukuthi nginesithunywa kumele ngisiprove ukuthi nginesithunywa. Umuntu angisho masekutshela ukuthi wena ubona ngeke Jesus is Jesus, I just believer wani mina siziprove again yathi ukuba iBarbie doll bese uhamba nama extras konzima. Angazange ngadeleleka kanje umfana abona kahle ukuthi ngoba ngihleka naye uyangibela uyangeda mina sikumela ngijwayele kabi. Hayi cele lapho sisiba nama disagreements manje. Yabo ngiyamtshela ngithi I don't like lezi zinto zenzayo lezi ezifana. Ngicela uyeke lezi zinto zakho zokuhamba neyithunywa. Ungitshela ama message wasesontweni. Kanti uma esontweni uyele mina or uyele wena. Uyele mina or uyele wena mfana ndini. Hayi mkhuphepe uyosonta or uyele mina. Ngelinye ilanga sethi sihleli kufona umunye umngane wakhe vele. Abona lo mngane wakhe manje athi ya esha akhuluma bese athi yo kenale mulayetla ngathi bayiplanile lento le athi ya akere motho utlwana ngilena ke ngaka ene motho o akere na ke khomo lebitso la hala bodimo ene ka mona ko ntshongkere ke ngirapela khomo so etsahalang ha se coincidence ene ngwana wa lona o tlotla vele a petse enthokubo ya buhosi. Ngibheke ngithule ngivume yazi amasimba ne uyawanukela from a mile, but udecide ukuthi yazini let me just allow them to simmer a little bit. Umfana sekayaqala manje kuza iziprofito umfana lama tendencies wetswayi sekawaqalile naye lapha endlini singene ku right nesofa labo elinukayo ku right ku clean, but manje itswayi ulithela every room like around the house, the corner, you know, the house, on the floor though. Empeteni, phansi, itswayi likhrophu. Bengize inyawo zami zihlale zibuhlungu ngoba mawuthi uyahlika unyathelana letswayi. Ngisho itswayi ngalinyanya loyo nyaka loyo ngizokuthi yazini itswayi like ngihambile ngayothwasa ngayiphuza inyoka yasemanzini ngayiphuza ngayiguya mama nyeko ngizwe mina ngiloko ngiphuza ngithi hey dlozi lami lethu ngithi kuhlelele ngifana hey dlozi lami nina ningazosifundisa ukwenza ngathi yara ha hayi ke umfana sicale ke relationship seyeba nama cracks. Ngelinye ilanga ngiyamtshela ukuthi I have a back problem yabo ngicela ukuthi ungisize ungirabe and all of that. Ngithi ku the back problem is brought upon because of the pregnancy. Athi kimi no, there's a friend of mine who's a footballer. Ngizomcela ngilethele ispray ngokuspray lapha emqolo because yabona le pain you feel like nami ngiyayifeel. Kenneth ngiyagula nginama cravings. Yo nami ngifila njengawo. mangiyothenga into kwama craving kumele ngishare naye. Angisho niyabona manje sekashintshile ake sesowuleyo mfana umuhle babaye wathoma ngaqala ubuye umgulukuthu. Yonke into mangikhalele ilontoza ichapisi mina si-share athathe half nami ngithathe half like sesiphila leyo mpilo leyo manje angisakwazi ukuthi ngidle into because naye athi lento oyifilayo nami ngiyayifila we are both pregnant. Hi guys angistress umfana angizi ukuthi ngithini. Mama mami ngiyamtshela kancane ukuthi yazi ngisithi lana ngikhona ngibona ngathi anyike ilaste le ndaba yethu. Fine umfana makangasena kuhle sikazalana singedineka sakacela uba nesidino ukuthi why manje sokuhlala unami don't you have a life, don't you have friends, go to church, do something with your life. Amona nakuthi angidinekela sisaqala siyaqabana nini khona la sicabana khona waza la athenga ikoti kodwa khona bekazi ukuthi ngiyayithanda ne wayidla ahleli la ngaphandle ekhaya wangincisha cabanga umuntu azokuncisha ikota ekini guys yemfana liyana yo mgulu ukuthi umsuno I started becoming wider and wider and wider. Umfana sekahleli asho ngelilanga athi yazini mina Ravaza njengoba ngihleli kanje kahle anginomali you understand imali angisenayo kahle because I haven't been working and since mina ngihambile ngizile ngapha everything has just always been about you and the pregnancy and there's nothing else I can do for myself. I can't even do XYZ. Uthini wena uthini ngoba umnyama akhuluma umfana khuluma and I won't be able to afford izinto ze antenatal, so I suggest ukuthi ungene clinic. You understand? In my head I'm like, okay. You know doctor, but okay, if ufuna singihambe clinic, ngizoye kwe clinic, ngiye clinic la ngihlala khona. Ubona abantu bangibone bazongihleka. Ngihlala phansi 5 o'clock athi no angisho mina la ngihlala khona iclinic yethu ngathi ingcono. Umfana wangikhapha ngayobhalisa eclinic guys ngaqala iantenatal yami eChrysopop Clinic wanginceda ngisabhalisa masiqeda ukubhalisa kanjalo kanti umgulukudu he is planning another escape in his head. Relationship ayisekho right nangala sisayi sengihlale ngidinekile uyangidina, there's nothing nice anymore. Our relationship has just become one solid boredom and nami ngiyabona ukuthi you know what I can't survive phela mina ke Ravaza ke ravishing kungwana wa the entertainment. And remember the whole point of me dating you was fun, was vibe, but now sing end up ngifila ngathi now I'm your wife, I'm not your wife. I want like singiyawasha singenzani ngathi you know what I don't think I can do this anymore. So now he started seeing each other less. Ngelinye ilanga aze kimi uGayi ilanga la khona remember ukukwami bekaqeda ukushona. uGayi afike lana athi kimi no uyahamba uya ubuyela back eSoweto yena uhlulekile asho kanjalo kimi ngihlulekile ngithi so what do you mean what do you mean for us athi no uthathile into finish yakhe uyise storage uzobuya ayilande maseka right financially kwamanje he just needs to go regroup because nothing is happening all right and clearly amadlozi akwatile and nothing is going right in his head. So ngithi ke lamadlozi makhoma athi kimi the way sekungakhona manje he thinks that ngona hamba yophethe izinto zabogogo. Remember I told you masicala le story ukuthi this person was assuming that he's gifted and all of that. So I think he started falling in love with the idea of ukuthi naye angaba isangoma. There's a potential because nelinye ilanga uzovuka umuntu athi ngiphuphe ungithwasisa ngiphuphe mina nawe sisebenza endlini yethu kugcwele abantu ngigcoka ijazi na ugcoka ijazi. You understand? So like sengihleli ngasho ngithi I'm not gonna do this. Mina angiyeke ngizwane nomuntu angiyeke kwami kuzodlwa amantshomane kwami mina angiyeke ngiyiphile leyo mpilo leyo. Hayibo uthini manje lo? Hayi fine uGayi angishiye name I think it was 200 rands or something. Ilanga lakhona kanti umama makabuye emsebenzini we find out ukuthi ugogo kwami ushonile fine. But kancane he kept on hinting ukuthi lo mntwana loyo is our big breakthrough. Lo mntwana loyo is our breakthrough. Mina Stomdom anga understand. Umfana nyamalale kungcwatshe kundlule seku November ugokwami usingcwabe November. Hayi ngiyabona mani izinto zithulile. So that December was so hot. I remember 80% of my pregnancy being hleli. I was following the Oscar Pistorius trial. I was the one updating my mom. Like that's how much my pregnancy was so boring. I understand. There was nothing fun. Literally, the only person I would look forward to seeing is my mom, because she was my best friend, and that's the only person I could go out in the streets with. And because already abantu la ngihlala khona, they were like, "Urabazo uhlala endlini, upheka zubani baba umntana." You know, abantu banjani, abantu baselokishini ninkulumo zabo snacks basho ngokunuka nokungqola. Understand ukuthi why as women, if omunye umfazi ekhulelwe mele simhleke, mele simceke, why aren't you looking at somebody who's bringing life? But hey, it's a story for another day. Guys, okay, guys, we are in contact and not in contact. I'm almost closer to the birth. Uzweli owaga March, January, February. Okay, from January, sekayaqala athi kimi, I need to give him placenta yam ne umbilical cord yakazweli, because he knows ukuthi uZweli is a special child and uqela lezo zinto lezo ezubabakhe. Ngithi uthini mnqundu, uthini mkhufethe mgulukudu, wena mzet uthini? Athi kimi i-umbilical cord kaZweli nengubo yakazweli, ingubo le iplacenta. Ngithi you are taking me. All of these things you're asking for, they are produced in me. In my 30 years of experience, I have never met a man that requested these things from their partner, especially if there was no consent involved. Athi yena, he wants to do the right thing for umntwanakhe. Guys, I tell my mom was livid. Wathi umamami, yo, nangumthakathi, ubikile umthakathi manje sekabonisa amachukhalazi. Uthi ufunani? Ngithi uthi ufuna iplacenta yami, ufuna ne-umbilical cord yomntwana. Athi umama uyanya, ulo muntu uyakwazi kahle kahle ukuthi ngubani. Ngithi akangazi ukuthi ngubani, ungifunde ephepheni lechapisa, bona manje uzongazi. Hayi guys, uGuy anyamalale nini masikhuluma nini. After that aqale futhi the same conversation. Ngicela ukuthi ungakhohlwa, ngithe ngicela iplacenta. La iphone vele akusekho mnandi, understand? Because basically ma exchanges angekho right, ukuthi was better off ahle lapha yana no Rebecca in enemy na since aphume lapha kule mpilo yakhe. His life started, going down. In my head I'm like, nigga please. Kuthi ngelinye ilanga athi kimi afonela umama athi ukhathele ukula nami ucela ukwenza ipeace, uzondlula azazongibona. Right? I haven't seen you in November the previous year. It's 2019. He came ekhaya, it was around 9 to 10. Ngakhona makafika, I'm not expecting him. Ngiyabona ifoni yami yakhala, I'm outside. Fine. Ngibe nokungabaza, like I'm not gonna go outside, but my mom is like, you know what? Just go uyomuza ukuthi thina. Mangifika outside uhamba nalabangani bakhe basezithisi. Wanginikeza ichocolate. If you know me, if you've ever dated me, or you know me generally as a person, I don't like chocolate. I don't have a sweet tooth. Angisumuntu chocolate. He brought me chocolate. Any chocolate yakhona mayiza kanje, iza ebusuku. You understand? You haven't seen me. Mangena la endlini, umama athi ukunikezeni. Ngithi unginikeze chocolate. Athi don't eat that chocolate. I want to see something. Ngihlale ngingayidli leyo chocolate leyo. Athule the following day, kundlule another day, a phone. Mama, unjani uRavaza? Mama athi uright uRavaza. Athi uright uRavaza usendlini. Athi mama, yes usendlini. Why? How umntana uright na you right? Mama athi yes ba right. Ungamfonela usibuzele yena because bengingokwa reject ama call like. For sure afone angifonele nginye number. How Ravaza ngithi yini? Bengukucheck ukuthi right, ngithi ngiright. Awukaka yenzekile next, ngithi njengani? Awungeke. Guys, there is nothing as painful as experiencing your first pregnancy. This guy left me when I was 6 months, right? And anything after that, those visits, I was doing them with my mom. So uhambi antenatal, but into zamasken nan you have to do them at the private doctor. So literally I was either going there alone or with my mother. He was not there. I experienced both my pregnancies, as a person, as a woman generally, I don't know how it is to experience pregnancy with your man next to you. Nijola, guraiti, nitengelama cravings. Like, I don't know that experience. Both my pregnancy, all I can recall is my mom being there. Everything, it was my mom. Like, you understand that? So for him to just show up out of nowhere, you're giving me chocolate, in all these things that are happening, this guy would not even once call angibuze ukuthi how's the baby, unjani umntwana. My mom, because umuntu ke wabantu abadala, she was gifted in her own right, so she knew how to do izinto ze-pregnant because she was massaging me most of the time. Angisiza ayenza nenza, and just with my second pregnancy besekakhulile. But with my first pregnancy, she was very, 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 very active, because it was the first time she wanted everything to be as is, and leading up to the pregnancy, okay, I'm not talking to him. We are not talking. And my mom was like, you know what? I'm grateful you didn't eat that chocolate, because their chocolate there was not a chocolate. That person wanted to do something. Okay, bekafuna ukuthwala ngomntwana, if I can put it out there. Umntwana bekengamelanga azalwe. Uzwelibanzi was not supposed to be born. Uzwelibanzi was supposed to either die in my womb or ngizali stillborn. That child bekumele abe sacrifice, because guy, he became desperate for a financial breakthrough that now besekahamba indawo nendawo, because we are not talking, but I would see on the social platforms ukuthi ukayikayi kompumalanga ukayikayi, ene bekumuntu ongasabi vele lezinto lezi ukuthi ngifuna ukuthatha lento ngifuna ukwenzani. So his offering was the pregnancy, and plus who is pregnant, because my womb generally, it's gold. Isibeletho sami is gold. It's just only a person that understands the type of person we are, or I am spiritually, that can really understand that, oh, this is the type of person. Apart from being a sangoma, there's just life to me outside being a sangoma. Anyway, so you might take it like I have a baby with who and who, but it's not just about the baby. It's not just about the pregnancy. It's about the baby. It's about the soul that I had to transport. You understand? That I had to save. It's about the soul that I had to save. Uzweli was not supposed to be born, because how he planned things out, I was supposed to eat that chocolate, and I don't know, because there was a time I went to visit him at his place. So you know what? We are in an Uber, so I it's like umuntu okhohle ukuthi atidishe up endlini. Mangena endlini ngithola emsamo wakhe there is a cup lineqanda phakathi. Iqanda lelo kuthelwe izinto kunamanaliti. I know ezinye izinto, you don't have to tell me twice. Leya manaliti leya bekuwukuthi mele ngihlabe ngishaywe ibhobo mina. Survive the pregnancy le. Uzweli was a sacrifice. Uzweli was gold, because he went and dug or understand ukuthi this is the relationship between Uravaza nalo mntwana. This is what I'm going to do. You understand? Fine. Ngithola umntwana, mangithola umntwana, I don't know what happened, but he was there at the hospital. You understand that? I remember mangithola umntwana, because I was not having any sexual encounter. Unesi loyana wathi magathi wathi kimi uya londoza but awudilate kahle and uzolimala. Amathamba kahlangene ugcine nini ukuya lenkonzweni. Ngiyamtshela ngithi no baba lo mntana ungishiye na 6 months. Lo mama lenyeke ngimkhohle I felt like my grandmother stepped in the room, because ugogo wami bekaUpolina. So uNeslo was uNespolina. When I told my mom the story, she even cried, because even uzweni maqeda ukuphuma that instant esibhedlela, she was looking like my grandmother, yabo uPolina, So uNesla asked me, I am going to take my hand and ngizoyifaka phakathi kuwe. Lento ngizoyenza ebuhlungu, but I'm helping you. Guys, uNesliana, she took her hand, she inserted it inside me. Wasitwista ngathi uyathwekela indoda yakhe. Wathi I am helping you, because domntana ngeke umzali. Like, I cried, I crowed, I prayed, I creased, I cried. Do you understand that? Uzweli wazala umntanami wavela. It was in the afternoon. Ngabe sengiyomtholile. Ngabo 5-6 when my mom gets there, my brother uyafonela uguy. Like we would talk, but we wouldn't tell him all the details. But nice, I felt ukuthi there was a bit of a betrayal, because why are you keeping in touch with my ex? But also he's a guy, you know how guys are, you understand. So he managed to call the guy, okay, we are dead. And the guy managed to drive, where's Angapa? Masega drive, Mercedes, Sagasa drive, go. Like, I didn't even give a shit. But anyway, so he comes and he's there. And okay, that's awkward. And my mom, she's like, keep it cool, keep it calm, don't react. Fine. Bang discharged the following day. The following day, my bang discharger. Guess who's picking me up from the hospital? The one and only Mkulugutum Kufete, right? So we come home. So must figure like I thought he would be happy to see his son. I thought he would be happy to finally have a son, because mind you, ngimthole our relationship mina, and azwana nomntana umfana lapho. He didn't care for shit. You understand? He didn't even say anything. He didn't even say congratulations. He didn't even say I'm happy. He had this look of disappointment and disgust in his face, right? I looked past that. Kwenzakala ukuthi kushoda something la endlini. Mina ke ngisumuntu omangatha buyethola umntana ngilala empedeni. Mina kuyasetshenzwa, life goes on, I understand. So okay, we go to the mall la phambi kwethu, and the conversation in the car, I thought it's gonna go something like, yo, ngithola umntanami, I'm really sorry about anything I've ever done. You know what he said? Like, it's day one and you even look more amazing, you are thicker, you are pinned. Ungzwile. Wabuya waskapa for 3 days yakhe nalapho for 3 days ukwatile ukuthi mina mangenza birth certificate angibizanga uZweli ngesibongo sakhe. La imoto nakusekho right, uya complain akana mali, ngasola ukuthi you know what. And I think after lapho, that's when I was like, let me draw the line, you understand. And then he only showed up after a while. Sekabuya ke sekahamba another Merc, aliTB selingane, ama nappies. Throughout uZweli growing up till today, and when we sat down and at some point discussed why we and I were not at good terms, when I brought the story up, Uguti, this is what you actually wanted to do to the child, and this is why Singazwani. That's what Piga. Me Wapiga. I even had screenshots of some of the conversation. He denied it, and I looked like a fool. uZweli wakhulu mntanami, without him being there. He was not even present. I would beg him to video call, just ukuthi uZweli amjwayele. I would beg him to come and see umntwana, you understand? And he was not interested. I realized that man hated me, and he hates my son. The doing word here is my son. I have tried so much countless times. Every time he shows up, he's the person who's gonna be like, every time that's the conversation we had. And there was a day I was like, you know what? You understand? And until I got tired, we even have gotten to a place whereby so another thing that threw me off was how his family received me, because I was pregnant and it's my first pregnancy. I was called all sorts of names, and on top of that, because he's got other kids, so if I have to wait in the queue until I firstborn yake. And and Kenneth, I must not expect a lot from him because he won't marry me. Kenneth, he's married to someone else. And I think those things were, sort of reminders of why it will never work. It was never gonna work. The purpose between me and Kenneth was fulfilled, and that was the end. So till date, my son doesn't know anything. I got to a point where I used to lie and be like, your dad bought you this, your dad bought you this. But because the relationship is not there. Even my mom, I remember before the show, she was like, no, you need to show Zeli Baba. Because I'm like, he knows that he's dead. But the thing is that uyam khotla because the nigga is non-co, it's co, like ageko. You understand? I have to beg him. I want to come see you, can you go? He will come. But man had to do something for Uzweli. Uzweli has birthdays so many times. He has not even pitched even once. So I raised my kids from 0 until to wherever they are, and it's nothing new in my world, and I'm not even stressed about it. You know, I'm just glad to see my family, there's father figures, although someone might say you know, but to what extent I like baba that are doing the kids life, but they're doing nothing for them, you know. So my chat is this, that if you're a mom and you're watching this and you know that you have kids, and you know, don't ungadlandileli usikamsala morao usikasala morao umuntu okuthanda kumntanakhe or anything like that. Sasikubona kupap healthy, don't be that mom. uNkulunkulu will always make a way for you. If I am able to do it, 2 boys, I'm still standing. Labantu laba bebangimithisile, they thought ukuthi them making me pregnant was burying me. They did not understand that I am a seed. You bury me, uyangitshala, and I blossom, my love. So it's life at the end of the day. And trust me when I say ubabaga Gazweli, I don't hate him. It's just that in relationship yet it didn't work out. And even till today, if I can talk to him, he still has hope that one day mina naye sizobuyelana. Because I remember when my mom passed, he came, you know, brought Zweli McDonald and kept on repeating the same thing. But I'm gonna marry one of my baby mamas. Even after me, he went on to impregnate someone else. I don't know you understand that? So he has never loved umntwanam, and I have forced that relationship until I got tired. And I don't want to hurt my child. I don't want him to feel rejection if he wanted to play a role, because I always tell him I'm an independent woman. I've been taking care of your child, you understand that? And all that I ask of you, just to show up physically, even if it's one weekend in your month, just come. But he's not there. So I'll close that chapter. Look, we move. Richard you know, but the mistake that I never do is to tell my kids that whoever I'm dating is their dad. No, I separate those worlds, because I know that I don't want to fuck shit up in their heads, you know. And not every guy is meant to be seen by my kids. But the chat is that it is what it is. It is what it is. Men don't love us. Men will always hurt us. And my baby daddies have kids. Like, can I 3 kids? Maybe now he's got 4. You understand? So it's not like whatever happened to me was something new. They, out of their goodwill, wanted to do it. In a nutshell, because this person was going to kill me, whether it was spiritually or physically, but I was going to die if I continued with Jack. And with Kenneth, my child is not safe. It got to a point whereby even though I would supervise the visit. So being a gifted hand, being beautiful, being all of it, it's a blessing. But sometimes there are parts of it where you look at it and be like, you know what? It is. So when it comes to my womb, I feel that I'm closing that chapter, because if you're gonna, a side note is that if you love your partner, close your legs, close that womb. Once in the door, everything changes. I don't think I want kids. I don't think I'm gonna have kids ever again. If I could, I would take out my womb, but it is what it is. But where I'm standing, I will advise you free of charge. Rather go for a guy you see good, there's bag there, go get pregnant for him, come back in your relationship, or because if like I don't know what happens to men. And it's so fucked up that the generation of men that were raised up asizwana nabo, they were taught ukuthi umntwana isichitho, and more pregnant, they just want to cheat. Why aren't white people doing that? Why are white people there from the start of the pregnancy until the end? You understand that? We in our African cultures, it's a different dynamic. It's like the dad's part is to just insert the seed and then run, and it's normal, it's healthy. But there's one statement that I said to Ubaba Gazweli, that for as long as Uzweli is our child, nothing is gonna go well in your life until uza kulo mntana uthenge imbuzi niyinkukhu uzoshweleza. Umuntu omkhulu uZweli is a big person njengozweli, and I don't know ke ngozweli because it's heavier. Ayikho into zoba right ngabo. I don't want to lie to you. Bazalisa umuntu wrong. That's all I can tell you. I'm not bazalisa umuntu wrong, and I'm not saying this in a bad way, but I'm saying it in a good way, because they will learn from me or this experience, because it will show. Bazohamba bahambe, if bayohlala bazohamba bahlole. Ngizohlezi ngivela. Ongizondayo uzothi ngiyaloya. But the truth is that it is what it is. Noma mina ke kungasena, but it's a lot. So we move, guys. I don't want to fucking hear any shit when it comes to my kids, my parenting, whatever, because they are my kids. You don't know the imilambo engiyeqile ukuthi labantwana baze babe khona namhlanje banje bayimi, and in my eyes I'm doing a very good job at it. I'm grateful for the woman that raised me, because she left me to be strong. So yes, guys, Kenneth was a ritualist of note. Amantotawa says that, Sisi, I will always look at them differently, because for me now, I see Imi Gulugudu, and that's that. My loves, dijaba hadifeli khofela batho. I don't know how sana ditab. You can always visit my old story times, but should there be something that pops up that I feel that we need to talk about, I will definitely come back. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Kili Ravaza Ravajing Ravishinga, and Kito Hule Tabadi Fela Kirikita Koluna Tabadi Fel. So subscribe to the channel, like this video, let's push the channel, let's comment, let's interact, let's do the right things. And if let's channel pila lena ke guys, and all of these things are in my past, and I'm not living there anymore. I'm able to talk about them and laugh about them because they are in my past, and I've moved from that. Look how far we've come. So it's my ndabas. I get it's scat. So babies ka lerata na tlamile he ke lo sheba bonkgono ba gore o etsalang ke tswa jang go etsahalang mara from now ravishing doll. I will see you next time.